So what is up, guys? So today we are going to just do a little bit of cleaning up as far as where the gear and the shift knob and all that is at in the Mustang, because as you guys do know, I did get the new billet shifter in there. So I took out the shift boot and I took out a couple other things just so I could run like a super clean setup, and my whole gear setup is like chrome and like billet, so it does look pretty sweet. So I'm just gonna clean it up. I got some mothers. If you guys are wondering why I have the backpack on, I have some mothers in there and a lot of like little stuff for the car, and I didn't feel like hauling it one by one from inside the house to the car, so just put it all in the book bag. We're gonna go to the car. I'm just gonna get it cracking, you feel me? So I'm gonna do more more vlogs like this, just because I want you guys to see, even if it's not the most I'm doing to the car, I still want you guys to see every single thing I do to the car, because like I say, I try to get a little creative with it. So I want to show you guys like step by step what I do that sets me apart from, you know, the next person, stuff like that. And I do have some pretty cool stuff coming up as far as with the headlight tint. I ordered some cool stuff for that, so you guys are going to see the outcome of the headlight tint and stuff like that. So that's going to be pretty cool. It is pretty different. Yeah, man, so I just want you guys to see every single thing that we have going on. Every single thing I do, I'm definitely going to vlog it and let you guys see it, alright? So we're going to get to the car. When I get there, I'll see y'all then. Alright, guys, so we're in the car. I'm going to show you guys what I have going on. This is the old shift boot right here. I just pulled it out because it just wasn't hitting it. And say something else. Yeah, the car is kind of messy, of course, but it is, you guys know I'm always working on it, so it never stays clean until it's actually like showtime or things like that. So I'm going to show you guys the whole setup I have going on as far as with my shift knob, and yeah, man, so I'm going to get right to it. So here's the shift setup right here. You know, we have the billet and stuff going right here, and then we do have like the chrome situation going in here. And this is of course why I took out the shift boot, because I just didn't want, I wanted all this to show, you know. So I wanted it to be like super racy. So I wanted all this to show, so I took the shift boot out, and I'm honestly gonna run it like this. I was thinking about putting like a little, probably like a metal sheet under it, and then just cutting it and making it, just to get rid of this like this black little rubber ground piece. But I'm not, I'm gonna leave it just because I like how it looks. Like, I don't like my car looking super complete, like in whole, if that makes sense. It's kind of weird, but I don't like it looking super complete. So I do like it like this. I'm gonna leave it like this. And yeah, man, so that's what it's looking like, and everything goes super good with each other. So I have some mothers. I'm gonna try to, just because, you know, like the shift boot was over this, so there's a little dirt and like gunk in here. So I'm gonna try to clean it up a little bit. It's like kind of foggy right here, so I have some mothers. I'm gonna polish it up, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the outcome when it is finished. But this is it right here. This pretty notchy. So yeah, I'm going to clean it up and get it all nice and sparkly and clean, and then once I finish it, I'm gonna show you guys the outcome of it. Alright guys, so we're back. We got it cleaned up a decent amount. Everything's not cleaned up 100%, but I did get some shine back to it and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit what's going on. I still have to get in like the cracks and crevices and stuff like that, but all in all, it is coming along good, and I am super pleased with how it's coming out. So here it is right here. Get that all shined up. Looks good, and I'm just trying to like get all this little stuff out, you know, to get in there and get some get that stuff out. I was thinking about getting some canned air and getting in here and just like blowing it all out, but we'll see. But yeah, all in all, it's coming out pretty good. Did get shine back to the whole situation, so yeah, man, it's coming along good. That's basically gonna wrap this video up. Like I said, I just want to show you guys, even if it's a little bit of stuff, I want to show you guys what I'm doing basically from day to day on this car. No matter what it is, I want to get it all recorded. I want to vlog it all just so you guys can see the whole transformation. And like I said, I do have a big announcement. I'm gonna probably do it on my next video. It's gonna be super crazy, it's gonna be super wild, but I'm doing this for everybody that thinks that you have to have money to build these type of cars. I'm gonna show you guys firsthand that you really can do it with bare minimum if you have your imagination. So my next post is gonna be about that. Everybody make sure you check it out. It's gonna help a lot of people. It's gonna bring motivation back to a lot of people that maybe aren't making the best money, that aren't you know, they don't have the money that they want to build their car or get the parts they want. So make a video for you guys. But all in all, that's gonna wrap this video up. Again, man, I love you guys so much. You guys are the best. We're almost at 200 subscribers. Crazy, man. Thank you guys so much. Anytime, you know, I'm starting something new, anytime I'm trying something new, you guys always support me. So I love you guys more than you'll ever know, man. I know I tell you guys this all the time, but I absolutely do love you guys. Like I said, you guys keep me driving and keep me going. So big shouts out to y'all. And 300 subscribers, like I said, I'm going to do a giveaway, a really, really good giveaway. It could be coilovers, steering wheels, seats, anything. You guys just give me ideas of what you guys want, and I'll definitely make it happen. Like I said, I want to give back to you guys because you guys always help me. You guys always support me, so the least I can do is give back to you guys and give you guys something good for your car, you know. So that's what that is. Again, I love y'all, man. I'll see you on the next video.